Spicy shrimp jambalaya is a vibrant dish that brings the heart of New Orleans right to your kitchen. Start by sautéing onions, bell peppers, and celery in a hot pan until they're soft and fragrant. Then, add garlic and a mix of spices, think cayenne, paprika, and thyme, to really kick up the flavor. Toss in your shrimp, letting them cook until they're pink and juicy. Next, stir in some diced tomatoes and rice, then pour in chicken broth. Let it simmer until the rice absorbs all that deliciousness. The secret? A splash of hot sauce for that extra zing. Once it's all cooked, garnish with fresh parsley for a pop of color. This dish is not just a meal, it's a celebration of bold flavors and a true crowd pleaser. Enjoy every spicy, savory bite. There's nothing quite like a hearty beef and vegetable stew to warm you up on a chilly day. First, start with tender chunks of beef, seared to perfection for that rich flavor. Then, toss in a medley of colorful vegetables, think carrots, potatoes, and peas, each adding their own unique taste and texture. Don't forget the aromatics. Onions and garlic are essential for that savory base. A splash of red wine enhances the depth, while beef broth brings it all together. Season generously with thyme, bay leaves, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let it simmer slowly, allowing those flavors to meld beautifully. The result? A comforting bowl of stew that's not just a meal, but a hug in a dish. Perfect for sharing with family or savoring all on your own. Enjoy every spoonful. One-pot chicken and rice is a game changer for busy weeknights. Picture this: tender chicken, fluffy rice, and vibrant veggies all cooked together in one pot. Start by searing your chicken until it's golden brown, then remove it and sauté onions and garlic until fragrant. Add in your rice, letting it soak up all those delicious flavors. Pour in some chicken broth, toss in your favorite spices, think paprika and thyme, and nestle the chicken back in. Cover it up and let it simmer. In just about 30 minutes, you'll have a hearty meal that's not only easy to make but also easy to clean up. The best part? The rice absorbs all the savory goodness, making every bite irresistible. Enjoy this comforting dish that brings everyone to the table. Today, let's whip up a delicious vegetable stir-fry with noodles. Start by boiling your favorite noodles until they're perfectly al dente. While that's happening, heat some oil in a pan and toss in a colorful mix of bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. The key is to keep them crunchy, so stir-fry for just a few minutes. Next, add minced garlic and ginger for that aromatic kick. Once your veggies are vibrant and fragrant, pour in some soy sauce and a splash of sesame oil for depth. Drain your noodles and toss them right into the pan, mixing everything together. For a finishing touch, sprinkle some sesame seeds and chopped green onions on top. This dish is not only quick and easy but also packed with nutrients and flavor. Enjoy your vibrant, homemade stir-fry. Creamy garlic Parmesan pasta is a dish that transforms a simple meal into a gourmet experience. Start by boiling your favorite pasta until it's al dente. While that's cooking, melt some butter in a pan and sauté minced garlic until it's fragrant, just a minute or so. Then, pour in heavy cream and let it simmer, thickening beautifully. Stir in freshly grated Parmesan cheese, allowing it to melt and create that luscious, creamy sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for depth. Once your pasta is ready, toss it in the sauce, coating every strand. Finish with a sprinkle of parsley for color and a burst of freshness. This dish is not just comforting, it's a celebration of flavors that will leave everyone asking for seconds.